Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. And this video is going to be a shopping haul video. Initially I decided not to do this kind of shopping haul videos at the moment, but then I thought like it would definitely benefit some or the other who stays at Bangalore. So let's get into the video and quickly check out. So couple of weeks back, after Unlock was announced, I visited Commercial Street for shopping. Don't spend most of the time outside. Try to try to come back home as early as possible. So I visited this shop called Tex Mart, which is there in Commercial Street. I'll mention the link in the description box below. Please do go and check that address. So this shop was referred by one of my friends, and she told me like we get all branded clothes for a cheap price. As I'm new to Bangalore, I thought of exploring Tex Mart. So it was just a quick point-to-point shopping, and it's a huge shop. They sell so many branded stuff for very much affordable price. As far as I know, the starting price of the dresses were 59 rupees only, and it's a huge building. They have 3 to 4 floors. They sell kids, they sell kids dresses, women dresses, gents dresses, and all sort of footwear and bags, etc, etc. So my purpose of visiting that shop was just to get some clothes for my boy at a very affordable price. You will not find much crowd over there. And also the second thing is that just like other shops, and just like how it is everywhere, they check your body temperature before letting you in, and they also sanitize your hands before letting you in. And also something which I liked about this shop is that for now they have kept sanitizers everywhere. Like on each floor they have kept hand sanitizers. You can very well sanitize your hands quickly and check on the dresses. And also the staffs are friendly, and they really help you out. And something which I liked about this shop was newborn collection. The collection was just awe. There were so many dresses of newborns, especially rompers, jumpsuits, and onesies. There were huge collection of dresses from 0 to 6 months of age. In case you're planning to buy dresses for newborn, then definitely this is a must visit place, because you will get it in a very cheap price. They have unique and separate sections for for boys of different ages and for girls of different ages. Like if you go to girls section, you will find various subsections of girls collection depending on their ages. I really loved the entire collection of girls and boys, because even I checked out few of the girls collection. It was really cool. So yeah, one advice I would like to give you is please keep sanitizing your hands once you start checking the collections, because it's really needed and it's really important. And always have your mask on and keep sanitizing your hands. That's all I want to say. Now I'll show you what all I got for my boy. I got him some 8 t-shirts and 3 track pants, and I also got 2 tops for myself. One was kurti and the other one was a long t-shirt. Okay, so the first thing which I got is this cute track pant for my boy, and I got this of size 18 to 24 months, and this was only for 59 rupees. Okay, so this is front camera. Yeah, so I got this only for 59 rupees. It's really nice. And something which I wanted to tell you is, if your baby falls under a specific age, like my boy is 20 months old right now, so I have got the size like from 18 to 24 months size only I have got, and this is like quite good for him. It's quite big. So I really love this pant. It's white in color and the print is also really good. The next thing which I got is this cute space themed track pant. And the best part about this is you need not worry about the size at all, because they have this kind of elastic here. If in case this is too long for your boy, you can definitely fit this on him. And similarly for this pant also, there is this kind of elastic here, so you need not worry about the length or the height. It will definitely fit your baby. And the third track pant which I got was this cute grey and yellow color, vehicle theme track pant. Similarly, here also there is an elastic, and this also I got for 59 rupees. So basically all three pants I have got for 59 rupees each. And if you look at the material is also really soft, and it's pure cotton. So yeah, it's really durable, I feel, and very very cheap. You will not get any pant for 59 rupees as such. Now let's move on to the t-shirt. So the first t-shirt which I got for him is this grey color t-shirt, and I got this for 99 rupees. It has this cute letter B and some star prints on it. He really loves stars and moons, so I always search for something which has stars or moons on it. So yeah, this is also for 99 rupees. I got this for 99 rupees. So I've got 8 t-shirts in total, and all the 8 t-shirts I got for 99 rupees each, which is like very much cheap. And the material is so soft. It's like that banyan type of material, and it's really nice. And the size is 2 years. So if your baby is 20 months old, within 4 months he's gonna get turned 2 years, right? So I thought 2-year size will be good for him. So yeah, this is quite big, and I can easily make him wear this for at least more 7 to 8 months. So yeah. Then the next thing which I got was this stripes one. This is horizontal striped t-shirt. I really love this. I hope it looks good on him because I like the color, and usually stripes look good on boys. So yeah. And the next one which I got was this cute little t-shirt in orange color, and this has this frog print. Recently he's getting obsessed with frogs and dinosaurs. I was searching for some thing related to dinos, but I did not get, so I thought I'll go for frogs. He's watching rhymes which is related to frogs. So yeah, he got really excited when he saw this, and this color is so bright that it will look good on all kids. Then the next thing which I got was again this stripes one. This is thinner stripes, and this has this cute button. It will look too lovely on boys. And this is kind of yellowish mustard color t-shirt. The next one which I got was this t-shirt. I have the front camera on, so I am not sure if you'll be able to see the print. It says, "Don't bug me." He really loves insects. I can't tell you how much he loves insects. He keeps looking at them. Even if there is any ant on the floor, he comes and quickly tells me, there is an ant, and he wants me to kill those ants. So yeah, he's obsessed with the ants, with the frogs, with dinos, and with the stars and moons. So yeah, I luckily found this one. This is olive green color t-shirt. You very rarely find this color in stores. So if in case you get this kind of beautiful colors, do get it for your kids. And I luckily found them over there, and yeah, I'm happy. And the next one which I got was this navy blue color t-shirt, and I regret buying this. I did a mistake. I did not look at the print properly. This has a snake print on it. I thought this is a frog or a crocodile. I just saw the eyes. This is a kind of threaded white and black eyes. I thought this is a crocodile or something. I did not concentrate on the design, to be honest, and I totally forgot to observe the lower part of this tee, which has a tail, and it obviously shows you that it's a snake. We usually don't wear dresses which has snake print. Please don't ask me why. I shall explain you the reason later. This is not the right time to explain. So I'm not sure what I have to do with this, because this shop does not exchange things once sold, and they don't have returns nor they have exchange. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. So please let me know in the comment section if you have any idea of recreating any designs on this tee, or let me know what I can do with this tee. For now I have decided to gift it to someone who does not mind wearing these kind of t-shirts. Now let's see. Then I got two full sleeved t-shirts because it's a winter season here in Bangalore. And yeah, this is one grey color one with a sunset theme, and again the another one is white color with aeroplane theme. Really love white color on him, so yeah, that's the reason why I got. Now these were the things which I got for him. Within 1000 rupees I have purchased so many stuffs for my boy, and I'm really happy for it. So one thing I would like to suggest you all is, as they don't exchange or as they don't return, as they don't accept return for your products, please make sure that you choose the right size, and please make sure that you choose something which does not have any damage on it, so that you don't get any chance of exchange, etc. Now there is one more thing which I would like to show you, and this is the one which I got. I personally did not feel much satisfied in women's section because there was again huge collection. If you are a person who is looking out for free size western tops, free size or plus size western tops, then you can visit this place because they have too many collections of plus sizes in western wear. But again, you'll have to spend much time to search for the designs, because all the sizes are mixed. So I do not like the women's section much, but yeah, I got this beautiful tee, plus size tee, because I want to wear a loose one at night. So I got this, it says XL size. Yeah, I got this size. This is a very loose size tee, and this is a very long tee. If you can see, this is a very long tee. It comes till my knee, above my knee, and I got this only for 100 rupees. There were so many color options in it. I like this pink color one. Definitely this is a very good one if you would like to buy something for your something for you as a night wear. Yeah. And then I got one more thing for myself. It is this kurti. This is a long kurti. It has a very good floral print on it, and if you can see, this is from the brand Melange. Melange is a very popular brand. You will find it in all lifestyle stores. The MRP of this is 599. Okay, the MRP of this is 599 or 600 rupees, but I got this only for 199. So yeah, 400 rupees off. And in 200 rupees I got this beautiful long kurti in peach color with lovely floral print. Definitely you can wear these kind of kurtis at home for regular use, but I had to search, I had to spend so much of time to get this one, because all the sizes were mixed and it was really difficult for me to choose a plus size kurti. So yeah, if in case you're looking out for western, then you can give it a try here. And also it's really good if you have twins, you can make them wear same kind of dresses, and it's really easy to get it over there because they have so many pieces of same designs in different sizes or in same sizes as well. More thing which I wanted to show you was this bag. So this is their branded bag, cotton recyclable bag, which they were selling for 29 rupees. Okay, so if in case you don't take a bag with you, then you can get their bag also. It's for 30 rupees. I forgot to carry my own shopping bag, so I had to get this bag for 30 rupees. But I would suggest you to take your own bag, because why do you want to spend 30 rupees for this kind of bag, right? Again, if you don't have any option, then you can buy it. It's for 30 rupees, but it's not too big. Like, you can accommodate some 10 to 12 dresses, not more than that. So if in case you're shopping more number of dresses, then you would have to buy some more than one bag, which is of no use. I feel like it's waste of money. So yeah, do take your own bags with you. I really like this place. I kept on sanitizing my hands regularly, and lifts were not operated by the customers. It was operated by a security. So yeah, everything was good. It was really nice. So I feel like it's a must visit place if you want to buy all good clothes at a very cheaper price. So do give it a try. I am actually satisfied with whatever I have got. Now if you want more such shopping hauls, then do let me know in the comment section, because I was not knowing whether to do this kind of haul or not, but then I just gave it a try. Hope you all like this video. Take care, stay safe, see you soon in another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.